subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has finally launched its new affordable C-series phone in Nigeria called Redmi 13C. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 13C features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Redmi 13C sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture, along with the auxiliary lens. At the front it has 8-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on MIUI 14 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168 by 78 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 13C has been priced in Nigeria for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 98,100 Nigerian Nairas, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 108,100 Nigerian Nairas, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 121,100 Nigerian Nairas. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in midnight black, navy blue, glacier white, and clover green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 13C smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.